wait for them. We want everyone in here. All right. We are standing on the balcony overlooking the Nevada side of the generators. There are 8 generators on the Nevada side. There are 9 generators on the Arizona side, making a total of 17 generators. Each can produce up to 130 megawatts, or a total of 2,000 megawatts, or enough power to supply over 1 million homes. The turbine is housed 35 feet below the floor. Up to 22,000 gallons of water per second turns the turbine or water wheel at the base of a 65-foot long shaft, which in turn spins a rotor inside that red housing. You can see the shaft spinning in that opening. Attached to the rotor are 40 magnets.